Asma. As you can see from the title, I'm going to talk about the maintenance and continuity of life. Well, how do we achieve that? Of course, it's by having good health. We can maintain good health by having a balanced diet. So today, I'm going to interview 3 people asking them about their dietary habits.
Hi,
Hi!
Hey,
I'm Ahmad Tajuddin. My age currently is 61. I'm a former professor of computer science at USM.
I'm Diana, 42 years old, and I'm a teacher.
my name is Afifa. I'm 20 years old and I'm an intern at B Brown.
My height is 170 centimeters and my weight is 71 kilograms.
My weight, 51 kg, and my height is 154 cm.
My weight is 40 kg and my height is 156 cm.
It's basically a diet which provides all the necessary nutrients which is required by body throughout the day.
Word balance itself meaning something that is complete. So as what we have learned during our school time, the food pyramid, okay, it consists many levels, right? So in order to have the balanced diet, you should follow the size of the pyramid.
For me, balanced diet is a good ratio of protein, calcium, carbohydrates, and iron, vitamin.
It starts with a cup of warm water early in the morning. And then normally later I will take a bowl of cereal and followed by some coffee and some bread. The lunch will consist of some home cooked meal by my wife. Normally consists of rice and some helpings of chicken or fish. And the dinner is normally light.
For breakfast, I always start my day with a cup of coffee and 2 pieces of toast. Then for my lunch, I usually have a plate of rice, a bowl of soup, and some fried vegetables. Then for the dinner, I usually have a light meals like sandwich.
In the morning, I usually eat cereal or bread, and then for lunch I would have rice and dish that my mother cooks, or the delicious dish. And then for dinner, I usually have the leftovers from lunch, or we don't eat at all.
I maintain my health by performing some small exercises. Normally I will jog for half an hour in the morning, and remaining of the day normally I will spend doing some work with my computers, just to keep myself busy and also to maintain a less stressful life. I think that will provide the necessary means for me to remain healthy.
Some people, they tend to consume the supplements, right, to maintain their health. But for me, I think better choose the natural way, such as eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and then drink plenty of water to keep you hydrated.
I don't like to exercise, but I try to walk around a lot in my house, and I take that as a form of exercise. Besides that, I also try to minimize eating cheat meals such as ice cream, oily foods, cakes, that category of food. Yes.
We have reached the end. Now it's time for the conclusion. It's important to maintain a balanced diet because each group of foods provide essential nutrients for our body, and we also have to keep in mind that too much of anything is bad. We have to exercise regularly and keep ourselves hydrated. That's all from me. Bye!